so much to each and every one of you who has subscribed to my YouTube channel, because now the Budget Equestrian is at 10,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, and just thank you. I can't thank you enough. And I would love to say that YouTube recognizes channels when they hit 10,000 subscribers. Unfortunately, they don't. So I've taken matters into my own hands, and I've made my very own 10,000 subscriber play button, and today I'm going to show you how I did it. Hello awesome equestrians, I'm Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And if this is your first time here and you'd like to make the most of the time that you have with your horse, click the subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks to you guys, I hit 10,000 subscribers. Again, thank you. That's just awesome. Really, really awesome. 10,000 is a lot, I think anyway. So since YouTube isn't going to send me a play button award in the mail, I wanted to make my own play button award. So I did. I wanted to be recognized for reaching this milestone, and for me, 10,000 is a lot of subscribers. So let me show you how I made my YouTube play button award for 10,000 subscribers.
So the first thing I did was buy a little thing called Color Box, and it is basically a die, and I found it on Amazon. I have the link to it below in case you want to make your own play button, but it mimics a play button perfectly. So what I had to do was remove that sticker on the back of it, and then I used some alcohol to get rid of the sticker residue so it would be nice and smooth. Then I took some Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint, and this is in aged copper because I couldn't find a bronze color that I liked, so I figured aged copper would be fine, that would work, so that's what I used. And then I just spray painted the lid of the Color Box die. The lid is the thing that you're going to want to use. And I just did several thin coats of the spray onto the lid. And then I allowed it to dry. And once it was dry, I brought it back into the house, and these are all my things that I'm going to be using to make my play button award. And the first thing that I'm going to be using is a print that I made, and it says YouTube, the Budget Equestrian, congratulations on surpassing 10,000 subscribers. And this is the play button itself. And then I cut out a triangle on some heavy cardstock, and then I just spray painted it white. That's going to represent the little triangle. And I bought an 8x10 shadow box frame off of Amazon, and that's what I'm going to hang up my award in. So first I need to attach the triangle section to my play button. So I'm just using my glue gun, putting a little bit of glue on the back of the triangle because I don't want the glue to spread out onto the rest of my play button, and then just try to figure out where I'm going to place it. So there's my play button. Now I need to attach it to the print. So again, I'm going to use my glue gun and just put some glue along the edge of the back of the play button. And then attach it to my print. Boom, done. And that is what it looks like when it's all finished. And only one step left to do to put it into the shadow box. So I open up the shadow box. and then put the print into the shadow box, close it up, and it's all done. And this is the finished product, my homemade DIY YouTube play button for surpassing 10,000 subscribers. Yay! Thanks to you guys.
And of course I had to hang up my play button that I made, so I hung it up right here. It's not quite the same as getting one from YouTube, but that's okay. It looks pretty cool hanging on the wall. And if you'd like to see more of my other DIY projects, product reviews, and learn how you can be a budget equestrian, just click the little round subscribe icon so you don't miss another video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.